Wow, 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 take a look at this. This is their combo. Looks phenomenal. Here are the sprouts that we're going to put in it. And then traditional steak and brisket looks really, really delicious.
Lots of chives, lots of cilantro.
Lots of chives. Boy, the onion smell is phenomenal.
It
smells so good. Oh yeah, so let's dig in, get those sprouts buried in there. Oh yeah, get these sprouts. I gotta take a little sip of this broth. Beefy, rich, nice depth of flavor. Obviously savory. Doesn't taste watered down at all. Slight sweetness to it. That's really delicious. Yeah, I think those onions are really, really helping with that flavor. That was really delicious. I don't normally use chopsticks here, but grab a little bit of that beef right there. Oh, wow. That is phenomenal. That's fresh. I think we found our new pho spot, or pho spot. Yep. I do gotta say, for this is a regular size. For regular, this is pretty darn big. They're not skimping on noodles whatsoever. This it looks like small for regular, but no, this bowl is filled to the brim of noodles. Really amazing. Really, really amazing. Oh boy, this is really good. I'm on to April's bowl right here of steak and brisket. The meat quality is phenomenal. And I'm just telling you, we haven't even tried anything on the wok side. This is all on the pho side. And it's been awesome. It's been phenomenal. The broth has just been so flavorful, so deep in flavor. The onions really, really make it. And then, as I said, the quality of the beef is ridiculous. The noodles are on point. Toppings are phenomenal. This is definitely our new pho spot when we are up in the area. So overall, excellent. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We just touched a little bit on the pho side. If you did, you know what to do. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Ooh.